Hi there, this is Steve again from STO N SHO. We've had a few customers that have returned their IXs, brackets, which should honestly be a pretty straightforward install because it seems like there's been some confusion on where to center the bracket. Now this one fits right up underneath in the center here, and you should be able to use the BMW logo and go straight down to almost this horseshoe, and then this centerpiece right here that should be your center point. So I don't know if it's when they're getting up underneath the vehicle and they're losing their sense of direction of where they are. But even up underneath here, there's your left screw there, and there's the one to the right. Those are the two you're using, and then there's your push pin on the right side, and the other push pin, there's a little scallop here that centers it. So before we get started with this installation, I just wanted to add that because we're not sure why people seem to seemingly having issues with that. But it does mount center, and that's why there's two holes in the base plate. And those two push pins that are just inside of those two screws that you should be using left and right of center. With that, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 BMW iX. There's the iX. That's the X-Drive 50. Okay, here are the two screws you're going to remove center using a 10mm wrench or socket. You're going to remove those two middle screws. Alright, now we're going to install the base plate. And factory. Using factory screws. From the base plate, make sure that they go into the J-clip, because the J-clips do move sometimes, so if it's loose in any way, make sure that it's secure. Now we're going to go ahead and put the front plate on. Line up the rods, find the pull pin, pull the pull pin, and then slide it in until it locks into place. And that's all there is to it. And let me get the front. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.